In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a network connection error here in Free Fire. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But this is obviously a pretty common issue, but luckily it is super simple to solve, so let's get straight into this. First things first, what I recommend doing is just turning off your Wi-Fi or mobile data for about 10 seconds. You can do this by just simply turning on airplane mode and then waiting 10 seconds and turning it back on just to refresh that connection. Sometimes a simple reset like this fixes the issue for many players. But once your internet is stable again, simply close out of Free Fire completely. Make sure it's not running in the background at all and then reopen it up. If the problem does still continue, uninstall Free Fire from your device and then head to either the Google Play Store or App Store and reinstall the game just to remove any corrupted files that may be causing the error. And if you're still having problems after reinstalling, try switching to another network, like moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data or just restarting your router. These extra steps usually solve any stubborn errors that may still be occurring. But that's it. That's how you could fix the network connection error here in Free Fire. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, so we greatly appreciate it. But if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.